Smoke detectors should be installed in every level of your home, including basements and each bedroom. Follow these steps to install a smoke detector. Here's what you'll need. Smoke rises, so it's best to mount smoke detectors in the center of the ceiling. If mounted elsewhere, it should be at least 4 inches from another wall and the ceiling. You can purchase room-specific smoke detectors, like a bedroom alarm that features a 10-year lithium-ion battery, or kitchen-specific alarms that detect both smoke and carbon monoxide. Most smoke detectors come with a mounting base that is separate from the alarm itself. The base has key-shaped screw holes to allow you to fasten the base to a wall or ceiling. Use the mounting base to mark the screw holes on the ceiling, then drill the holes. Select a drill bit slightly smaller than the size of the supplied wall anchors to ensure a snug fit. Tap the plastic screw anchors into the drilled holes with a hammer. Drive the screws partially into the ceiling. Line up the mounting base with the screws, then twist the smoke detector base into position. Tighten with the screwdriver and mount the smoke alarm onto the base. A hardwired smoke alarm is connected to other detectors throughout your home and includes a battery backup should the power go out. These alarms sound simultaneously when a single unit detects smoke or gas. Test your smoke detectors at least once a month. When you press the test button, you should be able to hear the alarm. Clean each alarm with a vacuum once a year to remove any dust or particles that may have accumulated. Make sure to change the batteries twice a year, even if you're not hearing warning beeps. Properly installing smoke detectors is an important step toward keeping you, your family, and your home safe. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.